Hello friends, welcome to Mentu Gang, and the man is here to tell you full difference between Samsung Galaxy J1 4G and Samsung Galaxy J2. So let's start with design. Here you will see Samsung logo, calling speaker, proximity sensor and front camera. And here is task manager key, home key and back key, same in both devices. So you will get power key at right as you can see in both devices, and you will get charging socket and mic at the bottom, and you will get volume key at left. And if we talk about front, you will get something minor changes because in J1 4G you will get black shade, while there is nothing like this in J2. Back cover is also same, both are leather like back cover. So now move on to specifications. Here I am using CPU Jet to compare both devices specifications. So let's start with processor. Here you will get 1.3 GHz quad-core processor in both devices. If we talk about GPU, you will get Mali T720 GPU in both devices. Now move on to CPU, you will get Samsung Universal 3475. If we talk about display, you will get 4.5-inch WVGA display in J1 4G, while 4.7-inch QHD display in J2. You will get 1GB RAM and 8GB internal memory in both devices. And if you will get 5.1.1 Lollipop operating system in both devices. And if we talk about sensor, you will get accelerometer, proximity and screen orientation sensor in both devices. So in terms of specification, both are totally same. Now move on to UI. So as you know, both devices are running on Samsung TouchWiz UI. So here you will not see a single change, and as you can see, icons are same in both devices. And if we talk about notification panel, then notification panel are also same in both devices. Let's move on to settings, and here you can see the settings UI are also same in both devices. And if we talk about Android version, which I have already told you, it is Android 5.1.1. Now let's talk about display. So as you know, both devices have Super AMOLED display. J1 4G comes with 4.5-inch WVGA display, while J2 comes with 4.7-inch QHD display. So as you can see, there is no difference in color in both devices. And if we talk about viewing angle, then viewing angle are also same in both devices. So here is nothing to compare in display. And let's move on to performance. So for performance or speed test, I have done N22 benchmark test. So let's see the results. So let's start with overall scores, and as you can see, J2 has achieved 25788, while J1 4G has achieved 19371. If we talk about 3D gaming, then J2 has achieved 2173 and J1 4G is showing me unsupported. So it's mean that 3D application will not support in J1 4G, and you will get a faster and smooth gaming experience in J2 as we compare to J1 4G. Let's move on to next score. Here are UI scores, and as you can see, J2 has achieved 9764, while J1 4G has achieved 8631. So here we can say that J2 UI is much faster than J1 4G. If we talk about CPU, here you can see J2 CPU achieved 9407, while J1 4G has achieved 6350. So I don't know how can it be possible, but it is true that J2 CPU is much faster than J1 4G. And also you can see then common use both are same, but if we talk about multi-purpose multitasking, then J2 is much better than J1 4G. Also you can run middle end apps smoothly on Galaxy J2, but N22 is showing me only entry level apps for J1 4G. So let's move on to next score. These are scores of RAM management, and as you can see, both are same in RAM management. Now let's move on to camera. Both devices have 5 megapixel rear and 2 megapixel front camera. So let's see the image. So as you can see, there is not a big difference in Galaxy J1 4G and Galaxy J2's camera. So we can say that camera quality is same in both devices. Also you will get same features like gesture control and beauty effect in both devices. So here is the conclusion of this video. You will get approximate same design, same specification, same display, but you will get better multitasking in J2, better gaming experience in Galaxy J2 as compared to Galaxy J1 4G. So I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.